Well, good morning, early birds. It's 4 a.m. Well, it's a little after 4 a.m., of course, but had some trouble in setting this one up. But we are here now. And good morning, early birds. That's me again. We are on a different channel again. It's hard sometimes, I think, to plan something here, but that's okay. So everybody that follows me on Twitter will be here in just a minute, I think. Just trying to set up my screen here. We'll do that in just 1 or 2 seconds. Close things now, so that's how this morning starts sometimes. It's not even a Monday morning, it's Friday morning. It's Funny Friday, so give me your tickets, because we're going to do ticket time from chat. That's just because it's Friday and I want to see your tickets. I hope that you did fine yesterday. Did not tweet anything yesterday, but I don't get any reactions from that, so why bother? So that's just me. I'm not the one that's going to share everything and then don't care about it. So let's see if we can share this screen right now. Yep, there we are. There we are. And we even got this camera started. Well. Am I a specialist here? Good morning, Bruce. Everybody slowly dripping in here. That's great. The Beach Bum Trading. Good morning. So let's see what's going on right now in pre-markets. You just can look here what's going on. Let's look at volume. This is not good. This is what I want to see here. CEI, well, not a big volume. This one is 15% up, but slowing down again. TTO, trying to do something here. Look at this. This looks like a 6-string, 8-string guitar, doesn't it? All the way back, and now trying to get above that $1. So if you are in these small ones, then try to take them above the dollar. So they had a good day yesterday, to say the least. Tiger's trying something here, but not a lot of success. ICEE. Also had a good day yesterday. Okay, ENDP. Well, not a lot of stuff going on, so you really cannot trade this in pre-market. There has to be a little bit more volume than that. So let's look at the watch list of yesterday. What did we? Oh, this is pre-market again. Watch list yesterday was Ether. Just stay here in this area. So this 1047 is still something that I'm watching. It's trying to creep above that right now. So we've watched this one for some time now, and because of this move, and we traded successfully a pre-market high breakout here, and I would do that again if I was trading this right now. So this is now on a 5-minute trying to form a double top here. Please follow the pre-market and do a pre-market high breakout again if that's your kind of trade. Hypo also trying to get above that level here that we put in of 704. Well, let's do just 7. Why don't we? It was post-market high and got above the levels that we announced yesterday, hitting it, over it, and then staying on that level for a while, and then finally, end of the day, I wasn't in here anymore. It got there, 664. DPRO did exactly what we expected it would do. Had a lot of trouble above this 412 mark here. I got the alert that it got over it, but just 3 cents. So this is a false breakout here. Oh, I got the alert this morning, I think. I saw the alert on my email. So in TC2000, you can also say email the alerts to me. So it has to break here. It has to break in order to play this one to the upside. So that's what we've been doing these days, just looking at the same stocks and look what it does for us. And this is now nicely forming some kind of new wave here. So I'm gonna just let those 1866, this 1866 level is still a level for me that I want to be watching. TGT. We said, okay, it can stay here, it can stay here, and it can go over this level. So yeah, that's easy. Well, sometimes day trading is easy. What are the possibilities? What can it do? What are the levels? If it's getting over that level, then play to the long side. If it's going short, play to the short side, if that's what you're comfortable doing. AN stays here on this level. So we said this, will it bottom out here? Yes, it's bottoming out here. So 2 things can happen, of course. It can stay here for a while and then do this, or it can stay here for a while and do that. Woo! Isn't that a surprise? Ace. Good morning, OP. Tilburg, OP, good morning. The only Tesla factory in Tilburg. You make the batteries there or what? So that was AN. This was space. Boom, 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 boom. Tap. This is. Oh yeah, this was a nice dip that we've anticipated. So the dip here into this 43.13 level here, and then nice move upwards, also breaking this level here, and so these levels here are now gone more or less. No, they are not gone. This is really a level bounced here, like we wanted it to bounce. So it was a perfect reversal long play yesterday, and then now what you want to see here is that this is really some kind of bounce going on. That would be very, very, very nice. FNF. you wanted something like this, well, also bottom out. So this 50 EMA, which is under this line here, this is now 1, 2, 3 times that it wanted to sit on that 50 moving average here, and be aware, because something like this can happen now on ENF. On Spirit, we expected nothing. And 9 out of 10 times, that's a good thing. And if you were in this, then you were just, then you had to hit your limit order here around, or your market order, or whatever, what you wanted. You were 24.30. It bounced here and said this is resistance. Then it said, okay, this 22.36 is support, and then whoops, on the 50-minute chart, there it goes all the way up. I didn't get this one, but it would have worked if you expected nothing and just played the levels. Good morning, Waltz. Oh, they assembled the Model S and the Model X there. Nice. OP had a good day on mRNA, Moderna yesterday. Wow, yeah. You had a good day. And you're still having a good day now in pre-markets. And that's because, well, the announcement of Biden, of course, saying that everybody has to get an injection if you work for government or if you work for a big company. So it gave that a bounce of now from 427 all the way up to where it's at now, 463. Wow, as a day trader, I would take some profit now. Pfizer will probably have a similar thing going on, I think. More or less, but did not do as well as Moderna did. Funny stuff. Okay. Well, that was my watch list for the day. I see no tickers in chats other than Moderna and having a great day. And I think, well, I would have taken profit anytime here. Let's look at some gold and oldies that we looked for some while. I saw OCGN hitting my alert here at 750, but that's all it did for just a few minutes. Here, oh, there. And then bounce back to the 750. I have to reset my alert now. The 750 OCGN is still something that I'm watching and keep on watching. It's Lila because it's an area. Yeah, they did well. So this is OCG and then NNDM. Why don't we do NNDM for all time's sake? Oops, stop. Okay, this is NNDM. Has to get above its blue line here. And then maybe some possibilities all the way up here to 200, which is this red line here, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about NNDM at all anymore. And we were not, and we weren't for a while. So it really had this nice bounce here, and we looked at this one in May, and this was after this big movement to the downside. Just a little nice bounce to the upside, well, a little for 3 points, almost more than 3 points. So that was a good bounce. So what you want in a way now is that it will bounce again, but still not a lot of strength here. So this seems to me a negative trend line still for NNDM. But why don't we do bets? You're waiting for the 57.13 and then the swing up. Well, I can see why you're looking at this one. Yeah. 57.13 is something that you want to see here, but well, then it first has to really, you don't know, you really have to consider that maybe this 57.13 is, this is from March 2021. Or maybe this is just the swing up here. If it does something like this and breaks this high here, then you have a higher low and a higher high on your hands, and that would be for the first time since 5 days. So maybe this is the bounce that you want to see. So you can even consider that if you're swinging something like this, 51, 58, 18, 58, somewhere 28 is something that you want to consider, and then so you can get in here and then use this as your stop loss. That's also a possibility, so that you don't lose the trades. But I don't know your strategy and tactics, so you really have to be on your own strategy with choices like these. Okay, so this is the Early Bird Show on Bosch Trading channel, and I am sorry to announce that this is my last Early Bird Show for Benzinga, because well, I said this a few weeks ago, and then that wasn't the way that I wanted to end this. Now I'm on my own trading channel again, so I don't want to end it like this, but I didn't get the link to go live, so that's just a pity, and not more than that. I had a great time at Benzinga. I did that for 6 months. 6 months I gave all the information that I have for free, and that's what Benzinga is all about, giving free information as much as possible, and we don't charge people for that. And because we don't charge people for that, professionals like me can do this only 6 months or maybe a year, or maybe like Jason on DDD, which are very passionate about Benzinga and know Jason better than I do, can do this for a lifetime. But doing this for free was a real pleasure and a real ride for me. It was a great honor to try and give you the tickers that I trade every day, and try to teach you a little bit about what's going on every day on the stock market. But this is the end of the road for me, and I'm satisfied that I did what I did. Helped a lot of people, I hope, and we'll meet again somewhere, somehow. I'm sure about that. So maybe I'm getting on Benzinga on a few shows every now and then. I'm not sure about that, but that's it. You missed loading up on a firm. Okay, well, that's a pity. So that's it for me. This is it. I don't know, Bruce, because there are only 25 viewers on my channel. So that's not something that encourages me to go on really. because and I don't want to have a paid channel because I don't want to start another business, and because, well, that's basically what you do, and then you have to start another business and let people pay, and credit card bounce, and then there are all sorts of trouble. So I'm not. I will see on Monday. I will still have my own little show here to discuss with you what I will be doing that week. So not so much about day trading, a little bit, but also about swing trading. So I will do that once a week, and that's just enough investment for me then. So everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, thanks for participating, thanks for everything here that you brought me, because you brought me also a lot, and somewhere we will see each other, I think. Thanks for watching, thanks for being part of the show, and thanks for all the great comments that I got from you. Thanks very much, and I will see you guys somewhere, anywhere. Thank you.